Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my skincare project pan. This is a project pan I just started myself before I belonged to any panning group. Now I belong to the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group. And so starting next year, all of my panning projects will be going through the Fantastic Ladies, and I'm not going to be doing anything on my own because I'm really enjoying that. But anyway, we still have a couple months to go on these products, so let me go over the things that are in this project. I don't have a lot, but I do have some progress. This one, unlike my other project pan that I'm doing where it's all mainly makeup, this one I have some progress in. And one thing I don't, and I'll start with that, and that's my Win Intensive Body Treatment. The scent of this is Love, which is actually plumeria. It smells heavenly, and I keep forgetting to put it on. I have it setting on my nightstand, and when I go to bed at night, I keep forgetting to put it on. So I have to put this on. I'm going to have to work on that. Next in this project is another one that is going to take forever. This was, I don't remember if I gave this usage, how many times I'd use it. Maybe just use it as much as I could. So I'm okay with not using that up. Same with this. This at first I thought was a sample of a face cream, and I thought, well, I'll get that used up. It's a full-size eye cream, and it's the Lancome Genifique. Let's see. I think you can read that. Yeah. Here's where I'm at. I'm doing really well with it. I'm doing really well. I'm focusing only on this eye cream. I'm not using any of my other eye creams. And yeah, this will not get used up. This will probably not go in another project. I'll just have it with my skincare and use it. But I thought it was a face cream. It's an eye cream. It's going to take me a while. Now, let's get into some, where we can see some progress. Next, I had this Mario Badescu facial spray in Orange Blossom. And I do have progress. Let me mark it. Grab my Sharpie. And there's where we are. We started up here and we're down here now. So I'm very pleased with my progress with this product. I think I can have that used up. I'll really push. I think I really push I can use this up by the end of the year. So that I feel pretty good about. Next is this Bath & Body Works shower gel in Hibiscus Paradise. The scent, the fragrance notes are pink hibiscus, juicy guava, and sun-kissed coconut. This absolutely smells delicious. I love this. It smells amazing, absolutely amazing. Let me mark my progress. That's a pretty thick line, but there we go. That's where I'm at. And as you can see, I started here and then here, and I used a bit more this time than I did the time before. So my goal is to use this up in the next couple of months. I think if I really push, I can get that used up. I'm going to try real hard. And then this is not a rolling project pen, by the way. When things are used up, they're used up. And last, I had this Nature Inspired Botanics Postbiotic Gel Cleanser. I think this come in a subscription box or bag. I used it up. It's all gone. This is finally gone. When I started, this thing was pretty full, so I'm very pleased with that. That one can go away. So I have 4 things left in my project. These 2, I'm pretty sure I can get used up by the end of the year. These 2 not. I'll just keep plugging away and just use them and as much as I can. So there we go. There's where I'm at with this skincare project pan, and I feel pretty good about it. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.